Getting the "we can't sign you with this credential because your domain isn't available" error. Here we have shown 3 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. Not being able to log into your PC and getting the "we can't sign you with this credential because your domain isn't available" error has been frequently reported by many users. Here we have shown how you can easily fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Many users reporting this issue reported the cause as the user being added to a specifically protected user group in the Active Directory. For company-managed systems, please get in touch with the system administrator for the same. Learn more about protected user groups on docs.microsoft.com. Method 2. Conflict with the DNS settings could possibly cause this error. Try flushing the DNS and see if that solves the issue. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. Next type ipconfig/release and press enter. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Now restart your PC. Method 3. The next thing you can do is modify the interactive logon policy. Please back up your data before attempting this fix. Press Win+R to open the Run window and type the command secpol.msc. Press Enter to open the Security Policy Snap-in. In the Security Policy Snap-in window, navigate to Security Settings, then Local Policies, and then Security Options. In the right pane, search for the Policy Interactive Logon. Number of previous logons to cache. Double-click on the policy to modify the value of the policy. Set the value to 0. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your PC. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.